Hello, so my name is Keith Carlos and this is my UNX511 Assignment 1. So I'm going to demonstrate my code. I'm going to do network monitor. So what this does is it opens a number of in-depth monitor and display the interface monitor's statistics on the console. So you can view the interface statistics on the monitor, and I can set ETH0 down. So currently right now ETH0 up count, let me stop it for now. So when I close it, all these sockets are closed, and right now the up count is 5 and the down count is 4. So when I execute this, sudo IP link ETH0 down, it will go down and it will attempt to set it up again. So I'm going to start the network monitor again. Then I will execute this command in my super password. And now it says operation permitted because I didn't run it as a super command, super user. So I'm going to do sudo network monitor. Enter my password. I'm going to execute this command again. So now ETH0 is down. It's attempting to set it back up again. Now it's up. So ETH0 was down. Up count is 6, down count is 5. And it attempted to set it back up again. So the up count went up to 7, and the down count went up to 6. So that's how code works. And when I Control C, all of the interface monitors are closed, ETH0 and LO. So now I'm going to run you through the code. So first I have the network monitor.cpp. It disconnected because I set ETH0 down. So I'm going to reload the connect back up again. So now this is my network monitor.cpp, and here I have a method to get all of the network interfaces, the network interface.h, and yeah, here is the SIGINT handler to intercept the Control C or kill to signal, and then here is creating a socket connection. I use AF Unix and SockStream, and I just configure the server address structure. I am the previously linked socket file, and then here I execute all of the interface monitor using fork and exec-l. This one is the program name, and this one is the argument, which is the interface name. So here I wait for a client to connect, and then while shutdown is false, then run this block of code here. So I'm going to run you through this block of code. So this one creates an FD set, which I'll put the client here and read the FD as the second argument. And then I use select to know which client is communicating with the server. and then I just check for new connections. So if there are new connections, then I'm gonna put it in the FD set, and then I loop through the clients and listen to each responses or requests. Use FDI set to check which client is communicating. So here I put a buffer that is a max character of 250, and then I check if the interface monitor sent the ready on the server. Then I will send the monitor event to the interface monitor to tell it to start printing its statistics. Here the interface monitor will send back monitoring, and I'll send monitor again so that it keeps printing the statistics as it is done asynchronously. So this one, when the interface monitor is then done, then I will close the client. And then I print each of the interface monitor statistics by 1 second. And then if shutdown is true, if the user closes this program, then I will close all of these sockets, and then I will close the server and unlink the socket path. And then let's go here at the interface monitor. So here I have a main function that accepts an argument. It only accepts 2 or 1 argument, which is the interface name. So I'll check if the interface name exists, then I will continue, and this one is the code for intercepting the SIGINT signal. So this one is creating a client socket. This one is connecting to the server. Here I connect to the network monitor, and then I'll send ready to the network monitor, and then I will create a statistics object, which is this one. So this one does is to read the statistics of the interface. So this one is the RX bytes, RX drop, packets, bytes, etc., and then up count, and then the down count. So here are the private members of this class, and I have the getters and setters, and then I have a method to display it on the console, and I have overloaded the insertion operator. So with the help of statistics, I was able to get the statistics from the /sys/class/net/statistics, and then this one, while running is true, then I will read a response from the server. If the server sends monitor, then I will call this monitor function, which is here. What it does is that it reads the statistics and then it prints it out on the console. So I'll check if the link is down, and it will send a link down event to the network monitor, and then the network monitor will send the set link up event to the interface monitor, and then it will do this IOCTL function to set the interface monitor up and running again, and then it will continue to run normally as it is monitoring event to the server. And so I have here a sig handler which will set is running to false, and then if it's running to false, then I will send done to the server and then close the socket. So when the network monitor receives a done event, then it will close the socket if it has a chance. If not, then it will close the socket here finally, and then unlink and close the server socket finally. So the hardest part in this assignment is setting up the sockets, and yeah, I think that's the hardest part, testing the sockets. And then I will rate myself maybe 8 or 10, maybe 5 to 8 out of 10 in this assignment, because it is kind of hard. And yeah, that's all. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.